Ensuring GMP compliance, why supplier qualification is vital. Supplier qualification is essential in meeting the requirements of current good manufacturing practices, cGMP, regulations. It is the process of ensuring that suppliers can consistently provide quality materials that comply with current regulations. Nevertheless, qualifying a supplier or contractor is a complex task. This video will give you an overview of its relevance and the auditing requirements for initial supplier or contractor qualification. The need to qualify suppliers is vital in the pharmaceutical and biotech industries. Over the years, several famous cases have shown the relevance of controlling the entire pharmaceutical supply chain to assure patient safety. To illustrate the problem, in 2008, a contaminated heparin caused a health crisis in the USA. This drug is a blood thinner that 10 million Americans take each year. The crisis involved hundreds of patients with adverse side effects and almost 100 fatalities. After a complex investigation, the FDA discovered that the contamination came from 12 unregulated labs and farms in rural China that were used as suppliers by the API manufacturer. The heparin contamination was especially problematic because it was caused by oversulfated chondroitin sulfate, OSCS. This contaminant can't be distinguished from heparin with conventional testing. This situation could have been avoided by a systematic and thorough supplier qualification. Regulatory agencies have also learned from these cases and demand the qualification of critical suppliers. In addition, regulators consider that supplier auditing is a crucial component of the qualification process, as it provides a comprehensive overview of the supplier's performance and compliance with cGMP. Which are the auditing requirements for initial supplier qualification? Here are the 8 most important things to assess from a supplier. 1. Verify the supplier's qualifications and experience in the pharmaceutical industry. 2. Perform a risk assessment of the supplier. 3. Review and approve the supplier's quality agreement. 4. Assess and approve the supplier's quality system to ensure it meets the requirements of GMP. 5. Confirm the supplier is able to meet regulatory requirements and/or customer specifications. 6. Inspect the supplier's facilities and equipment. 7. Review the supplier's customer complaints and product recall histories. 8. Verify the supplier's supplier qualification. In conclusion, the auditing requirements for initial supplier qualification are crucial to ensure that a supplier is able to consistently meet all the requirements and GMP standards. Invest in supplier qualification and auditing to ensure that your suppliers are compliant with cGMP regulations. Join our webinar to learn more tips about handling new supplier and contract manufacturer qualifications as part of your audit program. Free registration at www.qualistory.com.